No, the topic name here is cascading list of values in Oracle Apex. The cascading list of values means if I select in the first column as department name, the related list of values it has to display. The related values means like employee details, employee name and their details. Or in another case, if I select country in the first column, the related states it has to display. Likewise, if I select a project, the related tasks it has to display. Like it's like a master detail kind of thing it is. So take a first example only and we'll proceed. It's just a 5, 6 steps process, nothing much. And then first step here is log into Oracle Apex. Like you can go to like this, Apex. We'll call it as Apex or Apex, whatever it is. Apex.oracle.com. And then you can sign in. Workspace, I already created actually. And then username. There's a username and password. I'm just saving this workspace and username. You can see all this, like we can go with app builder first. And then create application. If you don't have anything, you can create application also. In that case, what we can do first is application. And second step is application name I'm giving. Let's application name is IT mentor classes, let's say. The through file also we can create it. Other methods, you can straight away create application. You will have certain default things already, like global page, home page, login page, all this. So I'm clicking on create page, and that is a blank page only. I'm not preferring the predefined pages for time being. I'm just using blank page here. Page name I'm giving here. Page name is for better understanding. I'm just giving cascading LOV. LOV is a list of values. And then let's leave as it is. You don't need to mention anything. Click on create page. And then, so after creating this, like what we can do, we can create one region here, like in the body. So you can click on create a new region, create region here. And there you can mention here LOV name here. So that is like mainly we can mention as a title, cascading LOV. Click on run. If you can come to know what is there here by default. Like this username password, as I mentioned, like you have to create. You already created. Just log in. And once you sign in, you will get to know the title of it here. The reason is really required actually to categorize. And then inside of it, we can create some page items like we can mention. One is you have to add 2 items here. Like as we are talking about here, 2 things. One is department name, other one is employee related. So we are taking 2 things here. One is department related, other one is employee related. So definitely the second step is, as we discussed, page creation. And third one is we are adding 2 page items. One is for DEPT, which is master, and other one is employee. The second one here is like I'm just creating here. I created P3. It's a page related, page item related. Or you can make it DEPT department. And this is not a simply text field, it's a list of values, right? So we have to choose here select list option. And then if you simply click on run, before you can say all errors have to be fixed. What is this error? Okay, so okay, here is the place. The LOV name here is a SQL query, and you need to first open an editor here. Let's say I'm making as a duplicate browser, one more, because I wanted to go with the workshop here, SQL commands. Before entering blindly, I want to make sure whether the EMP table is there or not. First one is DPT. You can run this. Okay, it's there. Okay. So in this, you need to take two columns here. One is display value, other one is return value. So in this column, what you wanted to return it or what you wanted to display. So for example, in this, I would like to take here display name is what? I want to display D name, department name, and it will return, let's say DPT to the next thing because we have to make a dependency, right? So you should not reverse the order. In this case, display value first, return value next. So take this query and then go to your first tab, keep it here. After that, if something is null value, you can just make like this. Choose department name. The extra value is not required to display. I'm not saving. Okay, straight away I'm running. Okay, like this it will display. See, whatever we typed here, null display value, it is displaying over here. It is giving a hint kind of thing. So accounting department, research department, sales department, like this. Now the second page item, whatever we discussed here, that is related to EMP, employee table. Give a right click, page item, and give here employee. And instead of text field, I'm selecting here select list, and then a region, let it be. Here is a place list of values place SQL query, and here also same story. Employee related table, select star from EMP because we should know the column names. Better select it. Okay, select the entire statement. You will get to know. So I want to display ename and then DPT number. Select this. Keep it over here. But if you run it, changes you made may not be saved. Leave it, no problem. So here is the place. It is displaying King, Blake, all this. But I wanted to display employees belongs to accounting department. They may not aware, like King is belongs to accounting department or Jones belongs to accounting department. They may not aware. So what we can do, we can make a dynamic relationship here. That is called as a cascading. It's very simple actually. What we can do, we can go to cascading list of values and select this P3. Whatever the page having a department number, it will come automatically to the where class here. Where class department number is equivalent to colon. Colon is a bind reference. The first one here, P3 department number. You select this. Whatever the department number you pass it, it will come automatically under a where clause dynamically. So we have to give this. So P3 department is what it is, first parameter. First parameter, select value, return value. It will come automatically to this department number. Now definitely it will establish a dynamic relationship. Now you can see the moment I select a accounting department, it will display related to that employees. If I change it, it has to change automatically and it will display something else, some other employees. If I select operations, the related to it not there. So sales department, employees will change. And then research department, employees will change. So this is called as a cascading LOV. It is really important everywhere. You can practice and I'll give you the notes also here. Thank you.